Ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering whether you should dive into SEO or splash some cash on other traffic sources for your affiliate marketing? Well, stick around because today we're breaking it all down in the simplest way possible. And trust me, you'll be astonished at how easy it can be to choose the right path for your affiliate success. But first, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to check out the links in our description below for all the awesome resources we mention in this video. Like, subscribe, and share the love so more people can join in on the fun and learn some game-changing tips. Alright, let's dive into it. We're talking about SEO versus other traffic sources for affiliates. And no worries, I'll keep it light, fun, and packed with insights. Let's start with the basics. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Imagine it as giving your website a makeover so search engines like Google find it irresistible. Done right, it boosts your site up the search results, bringing you organic, that's free, traffic. What are other traffic sources? Other traffic sources? Oh, that's everything outside search engines. Think social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, paid advertising, Google ads, Facebook ads, and even email marketing. It's like a buffet of options to get visitors to your site. Now, let's break down when you should use SEO and when other traffic sources might be your best friend. When to use SEO. 1. Long-term results. SEO is like planting a tree. It starts small but grows big, giving you shade, or traffic, for years. If you're in it for the long haul, SEO is golden. Once you rank high, free traffic flows in without spending a dime. Promotion, Mangools. Mangools can be your best buddy here. It's an easy-to-use suite of SEO tools perfect for finding the best keywords, checking out the competition, and tracking your rankings. Plus, it won't break the bank. 2. Limited budget. Tight budget? SEO's your savior. Unlike paid ads where money flies out for each click, SEO builds traffic for free over time. 3. Building authority. Ranking high means you're the big shot in your niche. People trust top results, and trust means more organic backlinks, shares, and mentions. Boom, your SEO gets even better. 4. Content-driven strategy. Love writing? SEO loves you back. Create valuable blog posts, guides, and articles, and watch organic traffic pour in. Promotion, Surfer SEO. Surfer SEO helps here by optimizing your content, ensuring you're hitting all the right keywords, and structuring articles for success. Perfect for boosting those rankings. Targeting evergreen topics. Evergreen content stays relevant forever. Write about timeless topics, and they'll keep attracting traffic long after you've hit publish. Promotion, Rewardful. If you're building authority and want to grow your own affiliate network, Rewardful can help you manage and track referrals effortlessly. It's perfect for scaling your efforts as your traffic increases. Promotion, Affiliatable. Finding the right affiliate programs is crucial. With Affiliatable, you can easily discover programs that match your niche, helping you maximize your earnings with less effort. When to use other traffic sources. Immediate results. Need traffic, like yesterday? Paid ads to the rescue. Start a campaign, and voila, traffic flows instantly. Perfect for promotions, launches, or seasonal campaigns. Highly targeted campaigns. Paid ads let you laser target your audience based on interests, demographics, and behaviors. More precision means higher conversions. Promotion, OLSP AI Mega Builder. Tools like OLSP AI Mega Builder can automate and optimize these campaigns, making targeting a breeze. Leveraging social proof. Social media can turn the tide with social proof. When people see friends or influencers using a product, trust builds, and purchases follow. Promotion, Content Studio. Engaging your audience on social media? Content Studio makes managing and scheduling posts a breeze, ensuring your social channels are always buzzing with activity. Testing and optimizing quickly. Paid ads are great for quick testing. Try different variations, find the winner, and scale up fast. No waiting around like with SEO. Retargeting. Retarget those visitors who bounced off your site. Remind them of what they're missing and reel them back in. Promotion, get response. Retargeting visitors who didn't convert is key. With Get Response, you can set up automated email campaigns to bring those visitors back, increasing your chances of conversion. Promotion for Rewardful. Speaking of tools that make your affiliate marketing journey smoother, let's talk about Rewardful. If you're looking to build your own affiliate program or referral campaign, Rewardful makes it super easy. It helps you track referrals, manage commissions, and boost your sales without the hassle. Perfect for affiliates who want to grow their network and earnings efficiently. Promotion for Affiliatable. Another gem is Affiliatable. This tool is fantastic for finding affiliate programs that align perfectly with your niche. It saves you tons of time by listing the best programs available, so you can focus on promoting and earning rather than searching. For anyone serious about affiliate marketing, Affiliatable is a must-have in your toolkit. Combining SEO and other traffic sources. Here's the secret sauce: you don't have to choose just one. Use both for a powerful combination. 1. SEO for evergreen traffic, paid ads for bursts. Let SEO build your foundation and use paid ads for that extra boost during key times. 2. Use paid ads to test keywords. Test keywords with paid ads before diving into SEO for them. Get data, then focus your SEO efforts where it counts. 3. Retargeting SEO traffic. Visitors from SEO not converting? Retarget them with ads. They already know you, so conversion chances are higher. 4. Building brand awareness. SEO builds authority, while ads and social media boost brand awareness. More visibility means more trust and sales. Tips for effective SEO and traffic source management. 1. Start with keyword research. Use Mangools for the best keywords. Long-tail keywords, 3+ words, often have less competition and higher conversions. 2. Create high-quality content. High-quality content is king. Use Surfer SEO to optimize your articles, making them engaging and SEO friendly. 3. Track and analyze your traffic. Google Analytics is your friend. Track where your traffic comes from and how it performs. Adjust your strategy based on data. 4. Be patient and consistent. SEO takes time. Stay consistent. With paid ads, keep testing and tweaking. Flexibility is key. 5. Engage with your audience. Engage through comments, social media, or email. Show you care, and build trust and loyalty. Tool highlights: Mangools and Surfer SEO. Mangools. User-friendly interface, easy for beginners, covering keyword research, SERP analysis, and more. Comprehensive toolset, everything you need for SEO in one place. Affordable pricing, powerful SEO tools without the hefty price tag. Surfer SEO. Content optimization, analyze top-performing pages and get actionable recommendations. Easy integration, works with WordPress and other CMS platforms. Data-driven insights, understand what makes top-ranking pages tick and apply that to your content. Conclusion. So, should you go for SEO or other traffic sources? The answer lies in your goals, budget, and timeline. SEO is your long-term ally, while paid ads and social media can give you that quick, targeted traffic boost. Mix and match for the best of both worlds. Remember, all the tools mentioned like OLSP AI Mega Builder, Rewardful, Affiliatable, Content Studio, Surfer, Mangools, and Get Response are linked in the description below. Check them out and get started on your affiliate marketing journey today. Happy marketing, and may your traffic be ever plentiful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next one.